So what's going on around here today is we've still got a little snow left over from last night. We had some light snow, nothing heavy, but hello November, we've got snow. We actually had it on Halloween. One project I want to get done today is we have some pumpkin seeds left over from our pumpkin, obviously, that we carved for Halloween, so I'm going to be baking those today. I'm going to be taking down the Halloween this weekend. I really want to focus on getting the mantle painted before Thanksgiving, before I start decorating for Christmas. So we will see how that goes. But all of this is going to come down. My dishwasher's running. I'm going to go run on the treadmill, and then I'm going to go through some of my Christmas ornaments that I've recently purchased. And I'm going to see what I have and what I don't have, and then I'll probably be out doing a little shopping this weekend. All right, my pumpkin seeds are all drizzled with a little olive oil and salt, and I've spread them back out onto the cookie sheet, and then I'm going to bake them at 250 for 1 hour. Then I'm going to flip them over and bake them for another hour, and then they'll be done. I don't do it real fancy. Some people have really much more elaborate recipes, and they add more things to them. We're just pretty basic here. This is all we do. By the way, if you saw my last week in life, I was going to make an apple pie, but as you can see, people have been eating the apples, which is totally fine. That's what they're there for. So I'm not going to be making a pie from the apples I got at the cider mill, but I'm glad that people are eating them. Right now what I'm doing is I'm trying to just gather up a lot of the stuff that I've purchased this season for Christmas that I already have. So some of it is stuff that I purchased, like for instance, these bottle brush trees I purchased clearanced at the end of last year or earlier in the year. Also this, and some of it is newer stuff I bought this season. So I'm just looking everything over, and I'm trying to figure out what I have and what I need to decorate my kitchen and to do my tiered tray that I'm going to be doing before I head out to Target Dollar Spot and take a look at what they have, and also Dollar Tree, because I want to see what I already have inventory wise. I don't want to buy something I already have. And you know how it is when you buy things throughout the season and you're buying this and you're buying that, and then you forget what you bought. This tree right here, if you saw my Advent calendar DIY that I put up on Friday, I'm going to add this tree to that display. I actually did that DIY in August before the school year started, and it's been up on YouTube, it's been uploaded, and it's been just waiting there until November 1st to be published. So if you see those pictures, I have just my wreath around my glass jar, but I'm going to add, I know I'm going to add this tree to it, and then I may add like a little sign or something underneath it, you know, for the Christmas season, and then I'll show that closer to Christmas when I'm, you know, when I have everything decorated. But anyways, this tree I got at Hobby Lobby, I think. I know this came from Walmart. This little thing here came from Walmart. This is from Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby, Hobby Lobby. I'm thinking this came from Joann's. This also, nope, this is Kirkland's, and then this also came from Joann's, and then this, of course, is Dollar Tree, if you recognize that plaid. But this came from QVC, and then this came from the Dollar Tree, so I'm not quite sure what I'm doing with that yet. But anyways, so I know I have a few more bottle brush trees. I actually purchased some from a craft store online, and I know I have like some itty bitty ones, so I haven't found those yet. So I need to find those. And anyways, I'm just trying to gather stuff up here. So this is part of what I'm doing today. And then hopefully this weekend I'm going to be headed to Target Dollar Spot in 1 or 2 stores and check out what they have. And then I hope to post that soon. So the great thing about looking for some things that you're looking for is that you end up finding other things. Yeah, like this notepad that I wanted, should be using. I went looking for this sign. I'm going to do something with this sign, DIY it. So that'll be a DIY coming up. I went purposely looking for this. I also wanted to bring up this jar because I'm going to do a DIY with that. And then I found these, which I plan to use in my kitchen on my new flocked tree that I got from Hobby Lobby. So I forgot I had these, and so that's like less things I have to, you know, go out and buy because I already have some things that I'd forgotten about. And then this jar too, like I said, is for DIY. I have another bottle brush Christmas tree, not like this one, but a different one. And I was gonna buy a different one for another display that I want to do in my family room for Christmas. And I just went down there and I was like, oh yeah, I have this tree. So I don't have to do that either. So, because I don't really want to overbuy too many things and have duplicates. And then I go pull everything out and I'm like, oh, I already had that. Anyways, so that helps me kind of get my head wrapped around what I need to get tomorrow. I'm hoping Target has their Christmas stuff out at the dollar spot. I am seeing it on other people's videos. Our stores around here are a little slower to get their stuff in. So I'm hoping to go check out tomorrow a couple different Targets and see what they have. And I hope to have that filmed for you, like I said, hopefully soon. I'm also starting on my DIY here. All right, it's been a couple hours now. I did 1 hour on one side and 1 hour on the other side. Like I said, I flipped them over as best I can. They're not that easy to flip over unless you do them all one at a time, which I did not do. But anyways, they're done, and I love pumpkin seeds. And I also want to tell you that if you see that little eye up in the corner of the video that has, it's like an eye with a white circle around it, that is information, and if you click on that, I have polls that I put up there for you to tell me like what you like and what you don't like in the way of videos. And if all you have to do is just click it and take a second and answer the poll, I'd really appreciate it. It will help me know what direction to go with my videos in the future. And I'm going to grab some of these pumpkin seeds and try them out and have some. This is just a little preview, so stay tuned for more videos to come later on this month.